Hello everyone, congratulations on your recent admission to UCSB. Here at the Education Abroad program, we are so excited to meet you all and support your journeys as exchange students. For the next quarter or year, this will be your new home. Here is some advice from previous EAP students on how to settle in. There are two important offices on campus for exchange students, which you may visit often during your time at UCSB. The first place is the Education Abroad program, or EAP. Our staff and student advisors will help you answer a variety of questions. These can be about academics, getting involved on campus, or personal challenges. Our advisors have all studied abroad as well and will be so excited to meet you. If you have any questions about anything during your time at UCSB, the EAP office is a great place to start. Here is how you can find it on campus.
Hello Reciprocity students, my name is Karl Tan. I'm one of the peer advisors here at the Study Abroad office. To locate our office is very simple, so you can come down to South Hall, come to Graduate Tower, and you'll be seeing these signs at one of two of our entrances.
The second place on campus that is dedicated to helping exchange students is the Office of International Students and Scholars, or OISS. If you have any questions related to your visa, employment, or immigration, the staff at OISS are here to help. The office is located within the Student Resource Building on the far end of campus. Once you go inside the building, walk up to the third floor and you'll find the office on your right. The EAP office and OISS both host fun, cultural events throughout the year as well, and attending these events can be an excellent way to make new friends and learn more about how you can explore California. To give an example, here is Michelle's experience as an exchange student this year.
OSS really helped me with the visa stuff because they would answer my questions through email the very same day or maybe the next day, first hour in the morning. When it comes to adjusting, the EAP office did this welcome sort of reunion after the first week, and they really helped us to understand a lot better how Americans work and how they talk, how they act sometimes. I'm really thankful for the EAP meetings that they did with other students, like the Rockfire thing the other day. And that's what really got me to make friends, because I'm not good at it. And without that, I wouldn't have made any friends. So I'm really thankful for that.
In addition to these two offices, there are a variety of resources on campus that you can find to be helpful. The AES Food Bank, for example, offers food and other useful items for students and can save you costs on groceries. Career Services offers a great way to receive career guidance and help with anything related to your internship, work, or academic pursuits. Counseling and Psychological Services, or CAPS, also offers a variety of resources to help you take care of your mental health. Both Career Services and CAPS are located here in this building, which is just a few steps down from the EAP office and directly across from Stork Tower. Adjusting to a new life at UCSB might be difficult at times, so we really encourage everyone to take advantage of these services on campus. Another big aspect of the UCSB experience is getting involved with other students through clubs and campus organizations. Through these opportunities, you can make friends, immerse yourself in culture, and learn something new. Here is Joshua's story of how he was able to join a group on campus called Urban Dance Company.
I think for me, as a dancer and stuff, I tried to look online to see whether UCSB had any dance societies, and I think knowing that I made a choice to go to this school, when the auditions came up and the socials came up, I think I just took that leap of faith to just go for it. Sometimes it's just showing up, being authentic, sharing them that you want to learn from them, and just being very open. I think that really helped me to find out more about these societies. We just spent so much time together that we bonded so much. We got to know each other so well, and I think it's really through like the pain and the struggle that like, groups get closer. Even though it was tough, if you ask me, I would do it again.
During your time in Santa Barbara, you may also be interested in doing work or internship opportunities. If you have a J1 visa, you can work on campus at any job like the bookstore, dining commons, or library. Working or interning off campus is also possible as long as it is related to your field of study. Both cases will require some paperwork through the EAP office and OISS. We asked Yoon how she was able to get an internship during her time as an exchange student.
So it was basically off-campus internship, and it's in like small NGO company. It's Vitamin Angels in Galera. They needed some videos for like how to give out the vitamins, and they needed some education video for the field workers. I could make my own storyboards and make everything what I really wanted to do.
So there are just a few important resources that you can use at UCSB. Our campus is here to support you during your time at UCSB as you meet people, grow as a person, and learn new things. We are so eager to meet you all and hope that you have a wonderful time at your new home.